Hi guys, and today we're showing fidgets, part 5. And I'm going to start off with one. Next we have this simple dimple. What the? It's missing one because that one just came out. And these pops are so big and so satisfying to pop. And I really like all the colors. Yeah. Next we have a Halloween fidget. It's a ghost, and the texture is so smooth. And it feels kind of weird, but on this side it's very hard to pop, but on the other side it's very easy and satisfying. This side is very, very kind of cold, but I really like this side. Also, I really like it. Next we have a monkey noodle that got chopped off. And watch the street. Guys, watch the stream. Next we have a really pretty heart poppet, and it's tie-dye, and I really like it. And you can see this one that has yellow mixed with the green and all that kind of, and all those kind of colors, and I really like it. Make sure to like and subscribe, and still let us get to 1 million. Let me reach my goal. Let me get that YouTube play button. This little flappy thing. And what the? I showed us on part 3. Here, I'll switch through. It's a rainbow. And next we have a green star poppet, and also the next one is the color of my shirt. Can you guess? I really like this one. Next we have a blue unicorn poppet, and it's very smooth. And if you want, you can put a simple dimple on it to pile all your stuff up. Next we have 2 T-Rexes. One of them is small and one of them is big. And they're tie-dye. This one can be for a keychain for your backpack or something. This one, chomp, chomp, chomp. And they're both tie-dye. Next we have next we have a pop tube orange version. Again, it's very loud. This is not as loud as the ones on the other ones. And you can also make an 8. Next we have a slug.
Go on, Timothy, get you ready, honey.
And it's rainbow, and I really like it. And yeah, that's all we do for part 5. Let us reach our goal to 1 million.